Orbiting opportunities, the business landscape of the satellite industry. The satellite industry, a pivotal component of the modern telecommunications landscape, has witnessed an extraordinary evolution since the launch of Sputnik in 1957. This industry encompasses a range of activities, including the manufacturing of satellites, the launch services that propel them into orbit, and the ground equipment necessary for their operation. The business of satellites is not just confined to communication, it extends to Earth observation, navigation, and scientific research, making it a multidimensional and rapidly growing sector. Historical overview. The early years. The satellite industry's infancy was marked by government-led initiatives, primarily for military and strategic purposes. The United States and the Soviet Union were the pioneers, using satellites for reconnaissance and signal intelligence during the Cold War. The commercialization era. By the 1970s and 1980s, the industry began shifting towards commercialization. Companies like Intelsat and SES started operating communication satellites, providing television broadcasting and later, internet connectivity. This period saw a significant increase in satellite launches, driven by the growing demand for communication services. The satellite manufacturing sector. Key players. Leading aerospace companies such as Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman, and Airbus have dominated satellite manufacturing. These companies specialize in large, geostationary satellites designed for telecommunications and broadcasting. Small satellites and new entrants. However, the landscape is changing. The emergence of small satellites, CubeSats and small SATs, has lowered the barrier to entry, enabling startups like SpaceX and Blue Origin to challenge incumbents. These smaller satellites are cheaper, faster to build, and can be deployed in constellations to provide global coverage. Launch services. Traditional launch providers. Historically, satellite launch services were monopolized by a few players like the United States NASA, Russia's Roscosmos, and the European Space Agency. The cost of launches was exorbitantly high, often running into hundreds of millions of dollars. The rise of commercial launch providers. The entry of private companies like SpaceX, with its reusable Falcon rockets, has drastically reduced the cost of putting satellites into orbit. This cost reduction has been a significant catalyst in the industry's growth, enabling more frequent and affordable satellite launches. Satellite applications. Communication. The most visible use of satellites is in communication, facilitating global TV broadcasts, internet access, and mobile connectivity. Satellites like those in SpaceX's Starlink project aim to provide high-speed internet even in remote areas. Earth observation. Satellites equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors monitor environmental changes, assist in urban planning, and contribute to disaster management. Companies like Planet Labs operate constellations of Earth observation satellites, providing invaluable data to governments and businesses. Navigation and positioning. Global Navigation Satellite Systems, GNSS, including the US's GPS, Russia's GLONASS, and Europe's Galileo, have become indispensable for navigation and timing services. Scientific research. Satellites enable a wide range of scientific research, from studying celestial bodies to monitoring climate change. The Hubble Space Telescope, for example, has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Challenges and future trends. Regulatory and space debris concerns. The increasing number of satellites raises concerns about space traffic management and debris, necessitating stronger international regulatory frameworks. Technological advancements. The future of the satellite industry will likely be shaped by advancements in propulsion technology, satellite miniaturization, and onboard AI, enabling more efficient and autonomous satellite operations. New business models. As satellite technology becomes more accessible, we are witnessing innovative business models, including satellite as a service and data analytics services based on satellite imagery. Deep space exploration. Beyond Earth's orbit, satellites will play a crucial role in deep space exploration and possibly in exploiting extraterrestrial resources, opening up new frontiers for the industry. Conclusion. The satellite industry, while deeply rooted in historical governmental projects, has evolved into a dynamic and diverse commercial sector. Its transformation, propelled by technological advancements and cost reductions, has opened up new possibilities in communication, Earth observation, and beyond. As the industry continues to expand and face new challenges, it remains a crucial driver of technological innovation and a key enabler of our increasingly interconnected world. This industry's future, intertwined with advancements in space technology and exploration, holds immense potential for further revolutionizing how we communicate, navigate, and understand our planet and the universe beyond.